Hello, adventurer! I am Master Tineo. Today, you have an Engage and Grow quest. This will be an insane level quest. And your goal is explain how to be ethical when creating knowledge. Giving credit and understanding why you do it is one thing. Can you explain to others how to do this? You will see. Now let's prepare for the journey. Giving credit and understanding its importance. These mean we are honest when we use online information for our work. Being honest means being ethical, which is doing things the right way. It speaks well about who you are as a student. The next step is to encourage others to do the same. You can do this by making a tutorial, explaining what is giving credit, why it is important, how to give credit, and what to put in your work so other people can give you credit. If you can do something to help others be honest when using online information, it is the ultimate proof that you are an expert in ethical generation of knowledge. Good! This is today's lesson. Let's have a quick recap. You understand why and how to give credit. So think about it and inspire others by making a tutorial. In this tutorial, explain everything you know about giving and receiving credit and how to do it. This is an insane level quest, so you cannot get help from an adult. If you understand, then you are ready to go on your journey. Just follow the instructions and you will get the treasure. Farewell, adventurer!